In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. If you've ever been concerned about spelling weak spots or grammar issues in your emails, integrating Grammarly with Gmail is a game changer. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can enhance your email communications quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by opening Gmail. This is your starting point, and most of us already have it bookmarked or as a favorite. You can easily do this by heading over to your browser and typing in mail.google.com to get you right to your inbox. Ensuring that you're logged in will make things more seamless as we proceed through these steps. Once you're in Gmail, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Compose button. This button is usually found on the top left hand side of your screen and will open a new email window for you. This is necessary because for Grammarly to do its magic, it needs something to work with. A blank email is a good canvas to ensure everything's functioning as it should be. With the new email window open, navigate to your browser's extensions. If you're using Chrome, you'll find this next to the address bar at the top right of your screen where the little puzzle piece icon resides. Click on it to open the drop-down menu of your installed extensions. Now make sure Grammarly is open. If you haven't yet installed Grammarly as a browser extension, you'll need to do so from the Chrome Web Store or any browser extension marketplace you use. Clicking on the Grammarly icon ensures that it's activated and ready to provide suggestions for your writing. Next, find the Grammarly icon within the Compose window. This will be typically positioned at the bottom of the email window. Give it a click and you'll see how the Grammarly interface appears as a sidebar, offering real-time suggestions for any text you write. When you've written some text or maybe drafted a complete message, take this opportunity to let Grammarly review your email. It will offer grammar corrections, style suggestions, and even tone adjustments to align with the message you wish to convey. Additionally, if you're pressed for time, Grammarly AI can generate your email for you. This is particularly useful for business communications, where time is of the essence and getting the tone right is crucial. Explore this feature by navigating through the options on the Grammarly sidebar. Lastly, with suggestions and text generated, you can click on Insert. Grammarly will seamlessly merge the changes or the generated text into your current draft, making everything smooth and polished. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to add Grammarly to Gmail, ensuring your email communications are